Welcome back to the channel. Today we will unbox and review the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Before we unbox, let's take a look at some of the key points of this particular phone. So the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL has improved on its processor. It now uses the Google Tensor G5 chip, which promises significant speed and AI processing improvements. It comes with 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage. Not only that, it also has an enhanced display and battery. Now it features a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED with 120Hz refresh rate and an impressive peak brightness of 3300 nits. The 5002 mAh battery supports faster 45W wired charging and 25W T2 wireless charging. The device comes with triple camera setup with a 50MP main camera, a 48MP ultra-wide, and a 48MP periscope telephoto lens with a 5x optical zoom. The Pixel 10 Pro XL also supports a 100x hybrid Prores zoom, which we will demonstrate in the review later on. Now there are also new AI features that are particular to the Pixel 10 Pro XL. That includes the Magic Q and also the Camera Coach, which uses Gemini AI to give you real-time photography tips. As for magnetic charging and connectivity, this phone introduces Pixel Snap, which uses magnet for secure and efficient T2 wireless charging, similar to the Apple's MagSafe. And the best of all, Google guarantees 7 years of OS security and feature updates for this device. Without further ado, let's unbox the Pixel 10 Pro XL. Over here we have a booklet which contains the SIM ejection pin, and the warranty information. The package comes with a USB-C cable. No power charger is included in the package. Okay. Brand new, out of the box. This is how it looks like from the back. So you have the camera bar, and then you have the SIM slot on the top, right? At the bottom is the USB-C connector, USB-C port, and as per normal, the power button and the volume rocker. Now let's take a look at some of the photos that I took using the Pixel 10 Pro XL under dim light condition. Under the Pixel 10 Pro series, there's a new feature called the Prores Zoom, which can zoom out to 100 times digitally. What you are seeing right now is a demonstration of the Prores Zoom 100 times. Now we are at this position and we can see that there's a banner across the street. So we zoom it up to 100 times and we take a photo shot of this banner. There is also a road sign over here, and also take a shot of it. In the photo app, we can actually see that the photo is being enhanced using generative AI. This feature is generally good for taking photos of architectural buildings, structures, sceneries, etc. We did try out on a sunbird and it turns out fantastic. This is the original image taken at 100 times zoom, and this is the enhanced version. We also did a 4K stabilization test on the Pixel 10 Pro XL. The following video is shot using 4K 30 frames per second in 10-bit HDR. The video was recorded without using any gimbal. The video quality is very good, but it can be even better if I use video boost. The reason for me of not using video boost is because it takes time to actually process the video footage, and then you also take up storage. If action cameras can process the video on board, I wonder why Google can't do it but have to send it back to the servers to process the videos before sending it back to you. Here's the speed test result that we use the M1 5G SIM card. The download speed is at around 1.259 megabits per second, and there's a remarkable upload speed of 142 megabits per second. It was running on N78 band plus N1 band. The Pixel 10 Pro XL is a big step forward for Google, powered by the new Tensor G5 chip and is packed with AI features. For example, Gemini Live gives you real-time visual help, Auto Basic help fix group photos, connected cameras lets you link another Pixel or GoPro for creative angles. The triple camera setup with 100 times ProRes zoom, 8K video and 10-bit HDR video makes it great for photos and videos. On the flip side, some AI tools feels gimmicky. Camera Coach is too step-by-step. The 100 times zoom isn't great with finer details like text. And Video Boost still depends on the cloud instead of the phone's own chip. And the 25 and 50 frames per second recording is still missing. Although it's not perfect, it's still one of the most powerful and future-ready phones out there in the market right now. We've come to the end of this video review of the Pixel 10 Pro XL. Creating videos of such requires a lot of time and effort. So don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for future updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.